In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage password protecting a folder in Google Drive and what you can and can't do. While Google Drive doesn't offer a native feature that lets you directly set a password on folders, there are still effective ways to restrict access. Let's dive into these options and see how you can better manage the security of your files. First up, adjusting the share settings is a straightforward yet powerful method to control who can access your Google Drive folder. Start by right-clicking on the folder you want to protect and selecting Share. Once you're in the sharing settings, you can set the access to restricted instead of anyone with the link. This way, access is limited to only the individuals you specifically choose, rather than anyone who might stumble across the link. Now, under the same sharing dialog, you'll notice a little gear or settings icon. Once you click on this, you'll find additional options to tailor your settings. Here, you have the opportunity to disable editors can change permissions and share, and, if necessary, prevent viewers and commenters can download, print, or copy your files. These tweaks will give you a tighter control over what others can do with your files, even if they have access. If you're seeking additional security, you might consider encrypting or password protecting the contents of your folder before uploading them to Google Drive. By doing this, even if someone manages to gain access to your folder, they would still require a separate password to open the files inside. This extra layer acts as an effective barrier, enhancing your privacy and security. Now, let's turn our attention to things you cannot do natively with Google Drive. Currently, there's no functionality to set a password requirement on a folder link directly within Google Drive. So if you're looking to have users enter a password before they can view a folder, that's not supported out of the box. Additionally, you cannot conduct end-to-end encryption of the entire folder via Google Drive without employing third-party tools. Here's a recommended workflow to set up these security measures effectively. Right-click your chosen folder in Google Drive and select Share. Under General Access, switch to Restricted, and make sure to remove anyone with the link if it's already set. Proceed to add only those specific people by entering their email addresses to whom you want to grant access. Don't forget to click on the gear icon in the Share dialog to disable permissions for editors and viewers as discussed earlier. For a real password layer beyond Google's permission model, consider encrypting the folder on your computer first. Use a robust tool like 7-Zip or VeraCrypt to set a password. Once encrypted, upload that secure version of your file or folder to Google Drive. Share it with your trusted contacts, and they'll need the password, which you should convey separately to decrypt and access the content. By implementing these steps, you'll have a stronger handle on who gets access to your valuable information on Google Drive. Stay safe and secure.